This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt.herrick. Honey, stop the car, this one is it. 3 bedrooms 1 bath detached home on cul-de-sac, fenced in yard. Newer windows, roof, AC and heat. Seller is in the process of painting and cleaning to make this a superb home. Large privacy fenced in yard, great for entertaining or getting away from everything. Location is near bases, interstates, beaches, schools, and entertainment. Own for less than renting. Call today before it is gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt.herrick at 757-639-8725.